how to fix the Windows key not working in Windows 11. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows key not working in Windows 11. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Task Manager, then open it up. Inside Task Manager, look at the top and click the search box, then type Explorer. In the list, find Windows Explorer. Click on it to highlight it, and then click Restart Task at the top right. Your screen will briefly go black and then reload. This restarts the desktop environment. Once everything comes back, try pressing your Windows key to see if it's working now. If it still doesn't work, you can try a keyboard shortcut to unlock it. On your keyboard, hold down the Fn key, usually near the bottom left, and tap the Windows key once. Sometimes this combination can unlock the Windows key if it's been disabled. If that doesn't help, try pressing Fn plus F10 together. Some keyboards use this combo to toggle the Windows key function. Lastly, if you're using an external keyboard, try unplugging it and plugging it back in, or even restarting your computer to see if that resolves the issue. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. Thanks for watching.